Hello, in today's video, two AIs, Claude AI and Ace AI, I don't think this is very well known, will go against each other to make the better Minecraft clone. I'm going to be putting it inside of the inspect console, so play it in my browser. And I will be using ChatGPT to write the prompt. No, this will not be writing any code, just the prompt. These two will be writing the code, and each AI has 20 minutes to write the code and see which one is better for the prompt. So let's get right into it. So the first one we're doing is Claude AI. So I'm gonna give this prompt to Claude. I suck at typing. Holy crap. It's a horrible thing to explain it. I suck at typing. Alright. Just gonna give this to Claude. Copy this. Scroll down. And 20 minutes. There we go. Now we wait. We just wait 20 minutes now. Or not wait 20 minutes. We wait for the code and we test it in the inspect console. This is my first video, long form video. Usually do shorts, but I'm bored, so decided to make a video. And this has been on my For You page for a long time. Just multiple AIs making a game. It's a lot of code. Alright. Just gonna copy this. Go to here. And that. Enter. So we got some errors. Oh my. WebGeo. Zero external dependencies. Nothing injected via script tags. Now we wait for this code to do its thing. 17 minutes left. Right now, player answers in the who do you think's gonna do a better Minecraft clone. Like I said, this is my first video, long form video. Not very familiar with this stuff, so I've just been seeing these AI videos, AI versus AI, that make a clone of a game, and decided to, why not try it, even though I'm not doing any of the coding. AI is. I know absolutely nothing about code. And for Ace, I'm using GPT 5.4, and apparently that's really good for code. And Claude is just, I guess Claude, not very familiar with it, don't use it a lot. 16 minutes for Claude AI. I know I've heard of it a lot, but I've never used it for coding or just talking to. Usually use ChatGPT for code. You have 2 errors and a black screen. And just gonna give those errors to Claude. 15 minutes. There's just a black screen, 2 errors. Strict trusted type CSP that blocks inner HTML2. I'll replace every inner HTML with safe DOM API calls, create element text content, and child. What the heck? Most of it's time coding and it's not even working. Yeah, just a black screen. Using Sonnet 4.6. Never heard of Sonnet. Maybe I haven't heard of it because I've never used Claude. To finish coding, and then we'll get to the game and hopefully it works. Alright, every inner HTML assignment was replaced with proper DOM calls, create element, text content, and child. Satisfies every strictest trusted type contents, Google, GitHub, etc. Alright, copy this, refresh, here, enter. Voxelcraft, full screen, and oh, what am I looking at? 1 grass, 2 dirt, 3 stone, 4 wood. Apparently, I don't think there's any movement features. Mouse look, left click break, right click place, space jump, 1 fuck type, ESC pause. Exit full screen, press and hold to escape. Oh, there we go. So that didn't work. Yeah, we spawned in. Sensitivity is really, like, what am I looking at? Don't need that. The mesh rebuilds were causing a 1 frame gap. Now the old mesh renders with the new one is fully ready. Shows current block name, no preset list. I said, I like the idea, yeah, spawned in, it seemed like sensitivity is fast and I see flashes of green when looking around. Didn't think we need preset hotbar items, but obviously I can't spell. This keyboard is too fast. 10 more minutes for Claude and then we go to Ace AI. And then I'm going to give the same prompt to Ace AI as I did to Claude. And so I like this, Voxelcraft. It's a pretty cool thing. I think I like the name. I like the menu that it gives us. It just needs to fix whatever this is. There's random flashes of green. I'm guessing that's like grass or something. I don't know. I like this idea. This is pretty nice. Alright. Here's the actual fix. Sensitivity, mouse does drop from 0.002 to 0.0008. Feels much closer to normal FPS default. Green flashes and HUD. Just gonna refresh this here. See green and will it be black? Oh, what am I looking at? We don't have movement and we mostly see a blue sky. I don't have movement at all. Alright, there's 8 minutes left. 8 minutes. And then when it's done, I'm gonna have to do one final prompt and then see if that works. Let's see if Claude can turn itself around. Doing more code, obviously. Just gonna wait for this to be done. It takes a bit of time for it to do its code. GPU double buffer, what is that? Blind buffer, buffer data. I said I don't have movement at all, please fix. We're zoomed in and mostly see blue sky because if I move around my mouse, I don't see nothing at all. Still coding, that's cool. This is my first time using Ace AI. I just looked up an AI and chose first one, and so I'm more known with Claude, but I don't use it very much. I usually use just ChatGPT. Alright, so I broken in with change. No movement, crafting keys A and D had the wrong axis signs, effectively canceling out forward backward input. A and D side to side though. 2 zoomed in, mostly sky. FOD use from 75 to 70. Spawns Y was being set to rain. Alright, let's do this again. No errors. It's good. I see green. What am I looking at? I have A and D movement, but no, I don't know. Movement. Alright. Said, well, we had barely A and D movement. Let me see if I can find a block, I guess. D movement, but I think we have barely breaking blocks. It's weird. I don't know what we're looking at. I'm just gonna refresh this for next one. 3.5 minutes. Spent most of its time coding. It's good, but the results were not good. Because we need an actual playable game. Maybe it's last prompt. 3 minutes left. I feel like we can get one more prompt or code in. Because this doesn't work, and then we have like 2.5 or minute and a half. We can do one more prompt, and then whatever code it generates is, I can only use that for the last one. Like last game. 2.5 minutes. This may just be the last bits to generate. Actually, we may not get another prompt in. Doing a lot of code this time. Oh, WNS movement forward vector was being computed correctly the previous version. Alright, let's test this out. Minute 53 left. No errors, good. I see it has that same error. There's a nice hotbar, but oh, we have movement. It's the camera. I feel like Claude would have done good, but I don't know if it was the prompt or anything. This is the last prompt. We have a minute left. Yep, this is the last prompt. We have movement, but it sucks when I jump. I don't know, because like earlier when I looked at blocks, they went away whenever I hit them. I can't place or anything. Alright, 30 seconds, the last prompt. 90% of second limit, but this is going to be the last prompt anyway. Just 5 seconds. Whatever this generates is the final thing. I'm going to give the same exact prompt to Ace AI. It's just using GPT 5.4. And just going to wait for this to be done generating, and then we'll test it out. I really thought Claude would do good, as the videos I've seen, they're doing so a lot of code. Matrices. Render. Well, I should have said for it to have a hand like actual Minecraft. I feel like this AI, since it's just using ChatGPT, it will do good because ChatGPT is really good. This is the last prompt. Camera entire view matrix is being built by composing the 3 separate matrices with the wrong sign conventions. Movement and terrain. So last code, and we're moving on to Ace AI. No errors, good. Oh, this looks good. Oh no, the mouse is weird. Oh, this is weird. We can break blocks, but it's weird. Alright, what am I doing? Do we place blocks? I can't look up and down. This is my up and down. I can place blocks. I can't move. Alright, I just can't move. I thought they would do so good because from what I saw, no. Now Ace AI's turn. I'm gonna give this same prompt to Ace AI. There we go. Give this to AI. Close Claude. 20 minutes starting now. Give this lock. No, I don't want to download it. What the heck? Go here. Looks like we can't use Ace AI. It's just not working. I'm just gonna use ChatGPT then. Looks like it switched up. We're using ChatGPT. I like the colors. I like this red. It's a nice red. Oh, that was quick. Alright. That was extremely quick. 2 errors. Looks like it's the same errors. Almost instantly finished again. Refresh this. Another 2 errors. Not starting off good. Working console Minecraft, no libraries. Instantly. Almost finished again. WASD 80. WASD move 80 rotate. Red dot center aim. Okay. In the world. What is this? I'd say it's almost instantly better than Claude. I like the last one Claude generated, but it just movement was off and everything. I like the way it looked. Right? Hitting the limits of dev tools scripting environment. So I rebuild this properly standalone mini Minecraft style game engine that does not use any library CDN or imports. Finish extremely quick. Okay. Mouse doesn't lock. I can't look around. It's like weird. Fix block 15 minutes. Oh, I did not mean to do all caps. Google logo thing is just your page not being covered properly. Fix that by forcing a full green canvas with real Z index plus body reset. Like, I have no clue what this means. Oh, a lot of code. Okay, to refresh this. Okay, what are we looking at? Okay, our mouse locks. Okay, so I like this, but like the chunk is weird. And blocks just look weird. We have movement and looking around stuff. When I click, I go down. Whenever I click, side effect when using clicks, gameplay, no proper block interaction. Left click, break block, right click, place. No player position changes from clicking anymore. Real HUD, hotbar hearts. Crosshair debug info. Full fix mini Minecraft HUD, hotbar, proper click. Mouse, look around to WSD move. Left click, break block. Click train, lock mouse, okay. Simple Minecraft looking stuff. Good. We have like lines. And we do have good. When I click like 1, 2, and 3, change our hotbar, and we need actual like blocks. 7 minutes until its final prompt, and then the code. Go here. Yeah, the core issue is you're still using fake 2.5 dimension. Fixed version, realistic block look, world hand. Yeah, I said make it to where we have hands on the right screen. So I rebuilt it properly again, but still 100% console safe. Blocks, proper depth base rendering, not flat smear anymore. Okay, it's no errors. Her hand looks stupid, and when I click, I go up, and right click puts me down. And I don't even know what this is, like this chunk. And we need to fix the hotbar issue. Hotbar doesn't respond to number keys, and blocks look like projection, stacking issues, no face separation. Should have made it instantly finish. Okay, the exact same. And I have hotbar selection, but still flying around. Survival style voxel game engine with grounded gravity, no flying. Proper forward movement doesn't break world when rendering. Real visible terrain everywhere, no just ring blocks behind you. Survival HUD, hearts, hotbar, selected item. Better block look, fake 3D shading. Jump gravity. Collision with ground, no external libraries. No more floating, gravity and ground collision. Jump with space. Alright. No errors. And I did kind of we have simple movement. We just need 5 minutes until. Alright, we're changing to 2D Minecraft because this is not working. Alright. Random terrain generation, grass, dirt, stone. Alright. What in the world? Nothing happens when the code forces canvas visibility. Always be visible, forces full screen overlay, generate proper two-dimensional world. WASD move, feel like it should just be A and D, but okay. Can't tell if I'm lagging or it's just really slow. Oh, I think I'm lagging. Alright. The big thing I noticed about ChatGPT is it generates code like instantly. A lot shorter than Claude, and Claude made a lot of mistakes. Didn't even do anything. 1 minute. Alright, final prompt. Open a completely new tab. Did not mean to paste it there. Right? That's the final prompt. Like lagging? But that was the final prompt, I guess. It was weird. Final clean two-dimensional Minecraft character game. It's a weird name, I guess. Right? It's the final. Let's see if it went around. Nothing. Console was cleared. So I think the AI that won the game was Claude, because the final it looked somewhat like Minecraft. So yeah, my first video. So if you did enjoy, I hope you like the video. I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe if you want. I may upload another video like this. This video gets views and enough likes. Hope you have a good day, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.